So this is the last part of the series, and it's about the other uses of the transition metals. So hemoglobin is used to transport oxygen around the body. It also gives blood its red colour. Its complex is an iron 2+, octahedrally surrounded by 3 types of ligands. And these 3 ligands are a multidentate ligand, which is made up of 4 nitrogen atoms, of which are arranged in a square planar manner around the iron. There's a globin ligand, which is another nitrogen atom, and this is below the plane. And then there's a H2O or an oxygen ligand, which is above the plane. A danger for hemoglobin is carbon monoxide poisoning, and I'm sure you've seen the adverts, but this is a colourless, tasteless gas which is deadly. And it's deadly because carbon monoxide is a strong ligand and can substitute onto the hemoglobin, and it won't leave, and this will then obviously stop the oxygen from being transported around the body, and this is deadly because, well, we all need to breathe. Another use of a transition metal is in cisplatin, and this is used as an anti-cancer drug. Its complex is square planar, and it's a platinum for the central metal ion with 2 chloride ions and 2 ammonia ions arranged in a geometrical isomer style. It works by forming a coordinate bond onto the nitrogen atoms of DNA, and this then prevents the DNA from multiplying, and in particular it prevents the cancerous cells from multiplying, so that's a good side of the cisplatin. However, a bad side is even normal cells are prevented from multiplying, and an example of this that is pretty well known is the example of the hair cells, and this can cause baldness. A final use that we need to know about is Tollens reagent, and by now this has been drilled into us from MPERS, from AS, and from Chem4, but Tollens reagent is used to distinguish aldehydes from ketones. Its complex is linear, and it's silver with 2 ammonia ligands surrounding it on either side, and it's got an overall charge of +1. And that's it for the other uses of the transition metals and transition metals on a whole.